Hello, Tell Doctors. This is a very quick demo of the new quotation feature we launched at this year's conference. If you just give me a couple of minutes of your time, I'll show you how to make use of it. This feature is designed to save you and your customer time, and it also fits in with the reward system that pays you a 10% commission on anything your customer orders. To use it, all you have to do is find a lead. Now, I'm set up in a demonstration version of the lead system. I've only got one lead assigned, Doug Jones of Carnforth, so let's click on Doug. I'll just bring that into our window here. So our customer Doug, let's see, he has Victorian tile that needs cleaning, 8 meters squared. So first thing we need to do is basically, having spoken to him, create a product quote. You'll see this new button that's appeared here. So if we click Create Product Quote, that should open a new window. Here we go. That pre-populates his name, his email, his address, etc. It's all in there, telephone number. All you've got to do is just say, right, well, for this particular job, Victorian tile, what am I going to need? Well, let's see. So where's that? Well, I'm going to need a bit of Pro Clean. Well, actually, yeah, I think maybe a bit of Oxygel on this one. So let's have 2 litres of that, £30. And probably going to need one of those black scrubbing pads that are very popular. Let's have one of those. And what else am I going to need? Going to need some sealer, maybe some remove and go. Actually, let's just go with a standard 2 litres of that. Remove and go. Where are you? I think that's under problem solvers. So let remove and go. There we go. Let's have 2 litres of remove and go as well. And to seal it, Victorian floor, I'm probably going to use Seal and Go Extra. No, let's go Colour Grow, actually. That's a very good one. So we'll have one of those as well. So that's come up to a total of, let me just squeeze this window up, £104 plus postage. Now I want the customer to order this. Which is really useful for Tell Doctors because it keeps your cash flow under, or your turnover under the VAT radar, and it also means that this order, when it comes through, you'll get 10% commission on it. So click Place Order, and then we go through to the standard order screen, and you can edit the order. You can pay by check, pay by card. Now, obviously, that's not what we want to do in this case. We want to save the order as a quote. So we click that button, and you'll see you get this new screen pop up. Your order has been saved as a quote. Please make note of this reference number. So that's a very important number to remember. Let's just copy that. So I've got that for later. And you can also access the quote using this link. So if you press that, that's a link. So let's just press that, and you'll see there pops up the order with just the items that you've specified, and all they've got to do is click Place Order and pay by card. Now, to get this, let's just go back to the quotation system here. So this is the screen you get after you've created your quote, and it's set up in the way of for creating an email. So it's pre-populated the address, the name and address of the customer, today's date, some text. Please find below a quotation to complete the work of your property as well as our own costs. I have separated a list of Tell Doctor products which will be needed to complete the work. Please arrange to purchase these from Tell Doctor prior to my arrival. Standard bit of text. And then labour and ancillary. So this is the bit you need to change. 2 days. 2 days. 2 days at blah, 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 blah. Let's say it's £250. Well, £200 a day. So £220 per day. Let's go labour. 2 days. Oh, what am I saying? 2 days labour. Let's get this right. You guys are better at this than me. At £220 a day. Let's see, it's going to be equal to £440. Okay, there's a list of the products. Bang, 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 bang. All summarised. Products to be delivered to, and there's the delivery address. To order, please call Tell Doctor during working hours and quote the reference. There's that number again. Alternatively, you can use the following link. There's the link already there. Terms and conditions. So it's even put in a link to your terms and conditions here. So it's all set up there. This is the name of your business. And there's a HTML version here as well. So depending on whether you're using text emails or HTML emails, you can literally just copy this, like so. Copy and pop that straight into an email, or copy this one. depending on which email system you're using. Okay, really, really easy, and you just send that to the customer. The other thing the customer can do, if you want to give them this over the phone, rather than give them this long link, which is a lot of text to remember, if you just take that number and you go to our website, let's just go back to the home page here, you'll see at the bottom of the home page, there is a quote button. So if you click quote, you can pop in that number, press retrieve quote, and it says that's a valid quote reference. Click here to access quotation, and away you go. There you are. So all the customer has to do is place order and pay by card. Preferably pay by card. We don't really want them sending us a check, but they have that option. And there you go. And the other thing, of course, is once your customer has bought some goods, that will then show up under orders. And if you click on customer orders, their order will show up here. Obviously, I haven't placed that order, but there you go. Anyway, I hope you find that useful. Any questions, give me a shout. I think you know my email, webmaster@toldoctor.co.uk. And if you find any problems, little bugs, do let me know. Thanks very much. Cheers. Bye.